everybody. Memorial Day. We are in Ecorse, downriver, down at Detroit. So here's the Detroit River. We are fishing. At a park where Southfield Road ends. Minnows, worms, got a bucket, got some extra weights. Oh, I got a fish. Let's see, we're gonna keep it rolling here. So you guys get to see this. Dad went to go pick up the car, move it a little bit closer. Ah. What the heck happened here? I got stripped. Try it again. Oh, I already got stripped. Yeah, I was getting hit on. So I was trying to film and then try to hook it, didn't hook it. Look at these people. Look at that, first fish of the day. Hey, you caught one. That's a keeper.
What is it?
It's a white bass. Bring it in.
I can't.
There you go.
There it is.
You want to keep it?
Do you want it? I'll see if they want it.
Well, I can throw it in there. So far, one fish. What happened?
It looks dead.
And he's got another one. Look at this. I have none. Good job. What the heck am I doing wrong?
I don't know, but I'm due to bring these home.
Finally.
I feel really bad here, you know. How's it feel?
It's pretty good size. Oh, look at this lunker. Yeah. Look at that guy. Oh yeah, it's just not normal river color here.
It didn't bite the tail this time.
So we're using 2-ounce weights. About 2.5 feet below the actual line with the hook. 3 fish so far. Seagull got caught in some line. You don't have your gloves on, you're not going to catch. Seemed like the seagull just got tangled in the line. Filming you filleting our fish. So we're back home.
We got 4 whitefish, or silverfish, not whitefish. Or white bass. And have the family over. While Bran is filleting the fish, this is what we're going to use to pan fry them. So Trig's crispy fried mix.